Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about which Tesla has the longest range. The Tesla with the longest range is the Model S. The Model S with the dual-motor all-wheel drive powertrain has an EPA estimated range of up to 410 miles. It is the flagship sedan of the company and has consistently held the top spot for range. Other models also offer impressive range. The Model 3 long-range all-wheel drive has an estimated range of 346 miles. The Model X, a larger SUV, can go up to 352 miles on a single charge in its all-wheel drive version. The Model Y, a compact SUV, has a range of up to 327 miles for its all-wheel drive version, with a rear-wheel drive model having a slightly longer estimated range of up to 357 miles. It's important to remember that a vehicle's actual range can vary depending on factors like driving speed, weather conditions, and wheel size. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.